The hippopotamus, a name that conjures images of massive creatures wallowing in African rivers. These giants have a fascinating story, one that stretches back millions of years. Their journey through time is a testament to their resilience and adaptability, but it's also a tale of increasing vulnerability in the face of human impact. Hippos, as we know them, evolved in Africa around 8 million years ago. However, their story begins much earlier. Their ancestors, called Anthracotheres, emerged around 37 million years ago. These semi-aquatic creatures roamed Africa and Eurasia. They represent the link between hippos and their closest living relatives, whales and dolphins. Over millions of years, the hippo lineage diverged. They became more specialized for a life spent partly submerged in water. Their nostrils migrated to the top of their snouts. Their eyes developed a position that allowed them to see while mostly submerged. These adaptations made them perfectly suited for their unique lifestyle. Today, two species of hippos exist, the common hippopotamus and the pygmy hippopotamus. The common hippo is larger and more widespread, found throughout the sub-Saharan Africa. The pygmy hippo, true to its name, is smaller and inhabits the forest of West Africa. Both species play vital roles in their respective ecosystems. Hippos have long captured the human imagination. Their sheer size and power inspired both awe and fear in ancient civilizations. From the banks of the Nile to the heart of the Roman Empire, hippos left their mark on human culture. In ancient Egypt, the hippopotamus held a prominent place in mythology and religious beliefs. The goddess Taweret, depicted with the head of a hippopotamus, represented fertility and childbirth. Amulets bearing her image were believed to protect mothers and children. Pharaohs, eager to demonstrate their bravery and strength, hunted hippos. These hunts were not merely about obtaining food or resources, they were symbolic acts that reinforced the pharaoh's status as a powerful ruler. The animal's imposing size and strength made them worthy adversaries. Ancient Greeks and Romans also knew of hippos. They referred to them as river horses, a testament to their amphibious nature. While not as central to their mythology as they were to the Egyptians, hippos still held a place of fascination in their culture. For millions of years, hippos thrived in their African home. However, the 20th and 21st centuries brought new challenges. The expansion of human populations and activities across the continent placed increasing pressure on hippo populations. Habitat loss is one of the most significant threats facing hippos. As humans convert wetlands and grasslands for agriculture and development, hippos lose crucial grazing areas and access to water. This loss of habitat forces hippos into closer contact with humans, often leading to conflict. Poaching poses another grave danger to hippos. Although international trade in hippo ivory is banned, it continues illegally. The ivory, prized for its durability, is carved into ornaments and jewelry. This illicit trade, driven by demand in certain parts of the world, decimates hippo populations. The combined effects of habitat loss and poaching have taken a toll. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, classifies the common hippopotamus as vulnerable. The pygmy hippopotamus faces an even more dire situation, listed as endangered. The plight of hippos is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their decline not only signals a loss of biodiversity, but also threatens the delicate balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. Fortunately, efforts are underway to protect these remarkable creatures. Conservation organizations like the African Wildlife Foundation, AWF, are working tirelessly to safeguard hippos and their habitats. They are engaging with local communities, promoting coexistence strategies and supporting anti-poaching initiatives. Protecting and restoring crucial wetland and riverine ecosystems is paramount. This involves establishing protected areas, implementing sustainable land management practices, and raising awareness about the importance of these habitats. Research and data collection are also crucial. By studying hippo populations, understanding their movements, and identifying key threats, conservationists can develop more effective protection strategies. The future of hippos rests on our collective action. By supporting conservation efforts, reducing our impact on their habitats, and demanding an end to the illegal wildlife trade, we can help ensure that these ancient giants continue to grace African waterways for generations to come.